Yo, 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 it's Mr. Selfish, and today we're making southern fried jackfruit burgers. Boom! First, get yourself a fresh jackfruit. You can also get the tinned ones, but this was our first time making this, so we thought we'll go all out. Get the fresh one. First, you want to de-seed it, so take these huge ass seeds out. Cut off all the dark bits. You also want to be wary of hidden seeds inside the jackfruit too, so sometimes you have to dig inside. Then make sure you cut off the outer shell. And then gradually peel it off. You'll see how strange the texture of this fruit is. Quite cool to play with though. Do not waste anything, keep picking at it. There's still a lot of fruit left on the outside. Dig, dig, dig. Now you just want to separate the jackfruit and get it ready to put into a bowl. Boil up some water. This is going to be needed so we can soak and boil the jackfruit because it has a natural sweet taste, and because we're going for the whole chicken kind of flavour, I wanted to boil out some of that sweet flavour so I can just have the texture. Do not boil it for too long though, that's a mistake that I did. Also add a little bit of vegetable stock, this helps flavour the jackfruit. But like I said, do not boil it for too long. I did mine for around 30 minutes, do yours for about 10 minutes tops. Now your jackfruit should be done, it should have soaked in all that lovely stock. And pour it back into a bowl ready for seasoning. Here are the seasonings that I used. And just for the sake of the speed of this video, I just used a shop bought southern fried coating this time. I can make my own and I will put this recipe up very soon, so stay tuned. After you've covered it in the coating, make sure that you work your hand through it and spread the coating throughout the whole of the jackfruit. Do not overwork this though, because this motion will break down the jackfruit and make it soft. You don't want it to be too soft. For the next step, just pick up a piece and roll it into a ball in your hands. This is how they should look in preparation for the hot pan. So heat up some oil and get ready to start frying. So place your jackfruit in the oil at a medium heat. Do not make the same mistake that I did by doing it at a higher heat. What this did was burn the coating and it didn't come out as good as it could have. It still tasted good though, so beat me this time. Do it slower, lower to medium heat. Now after your jackfruit is all golden brown, you are all done. If you want them a bit crispier, put them in the oven for 10 minutes and then add it to a bun, and there's your burger. I had mine with some leftover cheesy vegan pasta. Peace.